Hello and welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. This is the review of mini-Z drift tires from DS Racing, the best RC drift tires in the world. If you are familiar with RC drifting, you might have heard of DS Racing, a company that primarily makes drift tires for 1/10 scale RC drift car. The thing is, they also make tires for microcar or mini-Z as well. What I have here are compound LF1 and LF3, which are built for low-speed drifting, where LF1 has more grip than the LF3. They come in a set of 4 tires, 2 narrow and 2 wide. The sidewall is curved and looks great. It has white writing which makes the tires look even better. The writing is actually sticker, which I'm afraid over time it will peel off. I much prefer the old style with stamp on a tire like my F2 compound. Now that I have some special tires, I need some special wheels to go with them. Introducing RC-Aurora Racing wheels. These are high quality wheels for racing. The material is Delrin or polyoxymethylene, which has low friction and won't deform easily. There are 2 ways to mount a tire. First, by dipping it in hot water and push the wheel in. The other way is by heat it up with heat gun and push the wheel in. I choose the second method, so I won't have to deal with hot water. Now let's see how they perform. I am using both my Mini Q7 and fully modded WLtoys to test. Both are CS car. Q7 has 2.0 CS ratio, and WLtoys has 1.875 CS ratio. I choose to do this because WLtoys is a difficult car to drive with the tires that are not so good. The better the tires, the easier it drives. On the other hand, Q7 is a very easy car to drive, so it can fully show the character of the tires it uses. Let's start with the LF1, the one with more grip. This compound is for low-speed drifting, and it offers amazing control. It is comparable to Kyosho drift tires after running in, but it has better control while in the same speed. The front is very responsive and making changes of direction or transitioning sharp and precise, and it makes the back swing out very easily with absolute control. The speed is really low, and I can keep going sideways on and on pretty much forever. This compound is perfect when you want to hammer the car into corners and keep on sliding. It offers very responsive front end at low speed. It is suitable for twisty track where you need to flick the car one way to the other. Gymkhana is also very easy with this compound because of control over low speed drifting and sharp direction changes. Next is the LF3, the one with lower grip. This compound is for ultra low speed drifting. It has even lower grip than a brand new out of the box Kyosho tires. The car goes into slide easily at ultra low speed. I don't need much throttle to get it sliding and keep going sideways in wide corners very slowly. Even on WLtoys that does not work very well in low speed, with these tires it drives beautifully. However, the front of the car is a bit harder to pull, so transitioning is a bit more difficult because it takes a bit more effort to flick the car from one direction to another. This makes for soft transitioning and makes the car flow gently from one way to the other. This compound works best when you drive the car gently. It offers absolute control over the car while maintaining ultra low speed. It is suitable for slow, long sweeping curve and ultra low speed drifting. It also works very well on high grip surface where you need to decrease tire grip to get the car sliding. In conclusion, if you want the car to flow softly and slowly, LF3 is the tire for you. But if you want the car to be sharp and agile, LF1 is perfect. It is also good for a beginner to learn how to drift at slow speed. Better still, they are not expensive. I got them for about $6 per set of 4 tires, exclude shipping. Personally, I suggest having both of them, so you can set up your car for anything you want. Unfortunately, these are not widely available at the time I make this video, unlike their products for 1/10 scale, so you have to contact them via Facebook for pricing and shipping. Link is in the description as always. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.